Welcome to our 7th Bong Pineda Cup here in Pradera Verde Golf and Country Club.
I'll smile, I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down and all through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Keep my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right time. Yeah.
Happy birthday!
Nice shot! Thank you, Tatay.
Sa mga sumuporta dito sa tournament na to, sa pool noon pa hanggang ngayon, halos sa 7 taon na to, parami ng parami. Wala akong masasabi kung hindi malaking pasasalamat sa lahat ng nag-join dito.
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong!
We enjoy very much the game. This is one of the most awaited tournaments in the Philippines. Kaya every year nandito kami lagi and hindi kami na-disappoint. Lagi kaming satisfied and enjoyed. Thank you kay Governor Pineda. More tournaments to come.
Tay, happy birthday! More birthdays to come. God bless po.
Maraming salamat po kay Sir Bong Pineda for giving us the opportunity to play sa inyong tournament. And to all players, good luck!
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong!
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong!
Happy birthday, Tatay, from Bike Bacolor.
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong, from Lincoln Co. family.
Good afternoon! Bong Pineda Cup! Sobrang sarap! Sobrang saya, no? Very good! This was a really enjoyable and a fun game for us here as a group. Maraming salamat po! Happy birthday, Tatay Bong Pineda!
Gatas na.
Nag-stretching ka ng ganyan. Alam na! Alam na! Tangin na!
I remember how
tagin mo, patay ka pa.
Sorry. Sorry, partner.
Out. Stop! Stop, please! Eh, tangina. Nangulig na naman. Lakas.
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong Pineda, and congratulations to the successful 7th Bong Pineda Cup. Thumbs up.
Congrats! Thank you, Sir Bong Pineda.
Thank you.
Ang baba eh!
Madali lang ang passing, hindi ko nga alam kung bakit hirap sila. Grabe talaga.
Nako! Muligan!
Takot, alak ng baka. Patong na to?
I'm Nicholson Guerrero from Olongapo City, and I'm got lucky today. So yun, swerte lang, good weather. Parang kasi hindi totoo, so parang ganun. Basta ang target ko lang talaga yung middle ng green, then easy swing with the wind. So yun, nagulat ako pag bagsak niya sa green. Yan, nagtalunan na yung mga caddy. Tapos ako, hindi ko na kasi makita yung bola. So yun, swerte talaga.
Pag-rolla rin.
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong!
Congratulations, Tatay Bong!
Thank you, Tatay Bong.
We are from Sacramento, California. We'll be here next year again.
Congratulations to the 7th Bong Pineda Cup.
Welcome to the 7th day of Bong Pineda Cup.
Welcome, Bong Pineda Cup! Tatay, very good.
Lumakas tuloy ako, iniisip ko siya yung buwan.
The tournament, it's pretty good. I like it.
Fantastic golf course. We really enjoy playing here.
Happy birthday, Tatay Bong!
Tay, happy birthday po. We love you. Para sa ito, Tay.
Nice!
Para sa iyo yan, Tay.
All in one!
Alright!
Almost!
Camera!
Ako nga pala si Noel Sapanta, taga Tanawan City, Batangas. I'm here in Pradera at Bong Pineda's Cup. This is my first time na nako-hole-in one sa magandang tournament pa.
Ginigreet kita ng pabiro ng happy birthday pero this year medyo may pagkaserious. A great man by the name of Abraham Lincoln was quoted saying, "It is not the years in your life that count. It is the life in those years." You are a great provider na tatay sa iyong pamilya. You were able to invest billions of pesos to create economic activity, thereby generating thousands of employment sa mga kababayan natin sa Pampanga and elsewhere. Ang mas mahalaga, anong klaseng pamumuhay ang ginawa mo sa mundo at gagawin mo pa. Tay, again, happy birthday. Magandang sip-sip yan ha. Bola-bola yan. Thank you.
Okay, mabalik ka na.
McGregor walk yan, ha?
Pataki naman gumanda pa. Ang ganda oh. Ang lakas.
May camera talaga. Bakit tapalo?
Ay, puta ka.
Nice.
Layo mo pa, sige!
Ako ba? Ako ba? Mali?